Hello everyone, welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve the system of nonlinear equation, and our given equations are 3 minus x plus y whole power half x minus y equal to 0, and I am representing this equation as equation number 1. Now the other equation is 3 to power x minus y equal to 0, and I am representing this equation as equation number 2. In the first step, I should take equation number 1, and I will simplify this equation by moving this value from the left side to the right side, and as a result I will get x plus y overall power x minus y equal to 3. Now in the next step, I should multiply 1 over x minus y on the both side of the equation in power. As a result, I will get x plus y equal to 3 to power 1 over x minus y, because when I multiply left side with 1 over x minus y in power, this x minus y will cancel out from 1 over x minus y, and this x plus y come out from this value. And when I multiply this 3 with 1 over x minus y in power, I will get 3 is to power 1 over x minus y. This is the next expression for this equation, and I am representing this equation as equation number 3. Now in the next step, I should take the equation number 2, which is I will simplify this equation number 2 by moving these value on the other side of the equation. As a result, I will get 3 to power x minus y equal to x plus y, because when both of these values which have the negative sign will move to the other side of the equation, will convert into x plus y, and the remaining part of the equation will remain same, and I am representing this equation as equation number 4. Now in the next step, I should compare both of equation, or I should take the both equation equal, which is equation number 3 and equation number 4, and as a result I will get 3 to power 1 over x minus y equal to 3 to power x minus y. Now in the next step, I should multiply both sides of the equation by x minus y. I should multiply both sides of the equation in power with x minus y. As a result, I will get 3 equal to 3 is to power x minus y square. How? Simply, when I will multiply left side of the equation with x minus y in power, this x minus y will cancel out from that x minus y. As a result, this 3 will have the next power of this 3 will be equal to 1, and which is this one. And when I multiply the right side of the equation with x minus y in power, I will get x minus y square in power, and this is the next expression for this equation. Now from the basic rule of algebra, if two bases are equal in magnitude, then their power are also equal. So here we apply the same rule. As a result, I will get x minus y whole square equal to 1. Now in the next step, I will apply square root on the both side of the equation. As a result, I will get x minus y equal to plus minus 1, because when I apply root on the right side of the equation, this is square and that root will cancel out, and this x minus y will come out from this square, and when I apply the root value on this one, I should get plus minus 1. Now in the next step, first I should solve for x minus y equal to 1, and this will be equal to equation number 5. And when I will insert this value, which is x minus y equal to 1, inside this equation number 4, which is here, then I will get x plus y equal to 3, which is equation number 6. How? Simply, when I will replace this x minus y with this 1, I will get 3 to power 1, which will be equal to 3, and the other part of the equation will remain same, which is x plus y. Now I will add in the next step both equation number 5 and equation number 6, and as a result I will get 2x equal to 4. How? Simply, when I will add both of these equation, which is equation number 5 and equation number 6, this minus y and this plus y will cancel out together, and this x and this x will combine together, and it will be equal to 2x, and this 3 will add up in this 1 and I will get this 4. Now in the next step, this I will divide both sides of the equation with 2. As a result, I will get x is equals to 2. This is the answer or the first value of the x for this expression. Now in the next step, I will put this value of x inside this equation number 6 to get the value of this y. As a result, I will get 2 plus y equal to 3 because I will replace this x from this 2 and plus y will remain same equal to 3 will remain same. Now this 2 will move to the other side of the equation and convert into minus 2, and the next expression will be equal to y equal to 3 minus 2, and when I simplify this equation I will get y equal to 1, and here I will get I get the first value for this y, which is equal to 1, and the order pair or the value of x or y is equal to 2, 1. This is the first answer for this expression. Now in the next step, I should take x minus y equal to minus 1 because here we get two values or two equation values. So first I solve here, and second now I am going to solve the second one, which is x minus y equal to minus 1, and this is the equation number 7. Now I should replace the value of this x minus y equal to minus 1 inside the equation number 4, and as equation number 4, okay, as a result I will get x plus y equal to 1 over 3. How? Simply, when I replace this x minus y with this minus 1, this equation will be equal to 3 to power minus 1, and 3 to minus power 1 will be, as we know, that will be equal to 1 over 3. So here we get 1 over 3 after inserting this value, which is equal to x minus y equal to minus 1 inside this equation, and the other part of the equation, which is x plus y, will remain same, and I am representing this equation as equation number 8. Now in the next step, I should add both of these equations, which is 7 and 8. As a result, I will get 2x equal to minus 1 plus 1 over 3. How? Simply, when I add up both of these equations, this minus y and this plus y will cancel out together, and as a result this x and this x add together and we will get 2x. This minus 1 and plus 1 over 3 will exist on the other side of the equation. Now in the next step, we should simplify this condition. As a result, we will get this 3 multiply with this 1 and we will get minus 3, and plus 1 will remain same over 3 will remain same. Now in the next step, this minus 3 plus 2 will be equal to minus 2 over 3 will remain same, and other part of the equation will remain same. Now this 2 and this 2 will cancel out, and as a result we get the second value for the x, which is x is equal to minus 1 over 3. Now we will insert this equation to get the value of y inside the equation number 8. As a result, I will get y x plus y equal x minus 1 over y equal y minus 1 over 3 equal to 1 over 3, and this value of x will move to the other side of the equation, and as a result we will get y equal to 1 over 3 plus y over 1 over 3. This 1 over 3 will remain same, and the value of x, which is having a minus sign, will move to the other side of the equation and convert into 1 over 3. Now we will simplify this condition and we will get y is equal to 2 over 3 because both denominators are same, then both values of numerator add up together directly, and as a result we will get y is equal to 2 over 3, and this is the second answer for this equation for y. And here we get the order pair or the values of x and y for this both of these equations as minus 1 over 3 comma 2 over 3, and this is the second answer for this expression for x and y. I hope this video very useful to all of you. I hope if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.